Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am recording on my phone and my hair is a freaking mess. I haven't made a video in a long time because the summertime was really busy. I moved and if you can tell it's not the same setting, not the same lighting. Of course I would get a hair in my mouth. My hair is a wreck. It's blue now. I know the last time you saw me, I don't think I had full blue hair. It's really grown out. I'm getting my hair cut tomorrow, so of course I would film with my hair is, you know, not the greatest. But my oils came today. I started doing, I asked on a group of, I'm part of Lula's group, Lula B, if you watch her, or if you watched me before and you watch her. Part of a group, and I asked what they'd like to see, and they said they wanted to see all the things that I had ideas for. I'm going to do, I started using oils sometime last year, and I've been using them for a while, but I get a monthly unboxings, and that's all I've been watching on YouTube. I kind of stopped watching makeup stuff for a while, and I also don't really wear makeup that often anymore. I love makeup, and I still wear it, I just don't wear it as often, and because I was moving, and then it was packed away for a while, and then I unpacked it, so I just really haven't worn that much makeup. So I want to start doing more of that, but like I'm filming on my phone, so I want to know what y'all think of this, if I should film my phone or back on my camera, and if you like this lighting, or I could film outside. Kind of weird, but there's better lighting outside. I have my windows blocked off by these energy saving curtains, and it keeps it really cool in here. I have a window unit over there, fan here. Long story, it was really hot up here. And I'm very hot natured, so I need like every fan in the world going. Anyways, I use Young Living oils. I don't really want to argue with people about direct sales companies, blah blah blah. I'm part of, this is not the only direct sales company I'm part of. I really don't want to have that debate. You can totally leave your opinion down below if you think there's better oils out there, but honestly, I like Young Living. I've seen results, and I like their supplements and everything like that. So it is what it is. If you don't want to see it, that's fine. Just click off and go on to another video. I have lots of videos on my channel, but I am going to start uploading my boxings, because this is probably the only subscription box thing I'm going to get. It's like a subscription box because I get it shipped to me every month, and it varies from month to month. I only have to pay, I have the free shipping. It's kind of like Amazon shipping. I paid for that, and I have that for a year, and then I get rewards points back for every time I make an order. So I just like their oils, and it works for me. It works for my pain, my headaches, all kinds of stuff. So I even have a book that right here that tells me what oils can do for what. So yeah, anyways, on to the thing. 3 minutes of explaining. I didn't get a lot. I normally get I usually get a lot, but I only got a couple oils, and usually if you order so much you get free oils. I only got one free oil this month. I was on a budget because my husband, the weather has really affected my husband's job. My husband works outside, he's in construction, and it was raining for 2 straight weeks. Anyways, thank the Lord for the rain, but it doesn't help us financially. And I work too, but I don't make as much money as he does. Anyway, so I got, let's go on. That's packing slip. This is something they send every month. It's a newsletter about the company and whatever and blah blah blah. They have a seed to seal. They have their own farms and stuff like that. So anyways, packaging. More packaging. Okay, so the reason my box is so big is because I ordered, this is the first time I ordered the bottles. I usually order the packets. I should have showed y'all last month, but this is their goji berry, whatever, they call it wolfberry ninja red drink, and this is the 2 bottles. This is what was supposedly my order, but I've been drinking this, I was drinking this every day. You drink 2 ounces every day, and it's supposed to help, like, it's got a bunch of antioxidants in it, and it's supposed to be really good for you. I thought it was a bunch of hooey. I was like, really? This is going to be good for me? Like, I drink a lot of other things. Water's supposed to be good for me. I don't like that. I mean, it is good for you, but I actually was very surprised because I have some still dietary issues, and this was amazing, and I'm wanting to see how long the 2 bottles last me. Of course, I would come over here with nothing to open these things with. Here's a pen. I'll use the end of the pen. Notepad. Gotta write your thoughts down at bedtime, you know. Actually, those are oils I want to get. I went through the book and decided which ones I need and which ones I want. Because they have so many, it's not even funny. And like tons of supplements, stuff for dogs. I mean, it's incredible. Like laundry soap, it's endless. Like the stuff, they have everything. Makeup, they have like non-toxic makeup. Like tons of stuff. Yeah, these things are ginormous. So that's what they look like. And you only drink 2 ounces a day. And this was the double pack. Because I'm part of the Essential Rewards program, they have this pack for, well, I'm not going to tell you how much because you don't need to know unless you want to buy it. But I want to see how long these bottles will last me. Because I got the packets last time. They're a little more expensive, the packets are. And there's only 30 packets. And I drank them up in a couple weeks. So we'll see how long those last me. Alright, oils. And that was why my box was so big, because I only got a few oils. I did get one for a friend, so one of these oils is not mine. So I got Digize. Digize is for, obviously, for your digestion. I got the Vitality line because I do take it. I also rub it. This stuff is like magic. If I had ordered enough, I would have gotten this for free, the 15 ml, but I didn't have enough money to order all of that, so I just went ahead and got the Vitality line because I was out. I literally used every last drop, and you can go ahead and if there's like a few drops left, you can put a carrier oil in it and you keep using it, but I particularly like, I usually take my empty bottle and just shove it in Epsom salt, and that's how I absorb the oils. I don't usually put a carrier oil in here unless it's just like in a really expensive oil like frankincense, where I will put a carrier oil in there to make it go farther. Carrier oils are like olive oil, vegetable. I would prefer not to use vegetable oil, but you can use vegetable oil. Any oils, argan oil, jojoba oil, those are carrier oils that would make the, and you obviously dilute these with those kind of carrier oils. But I got Digize, and then here's clove. I already know what that one smells. It's not a great smell, but it works like magic. Okay, this is clove. This is the free oil I got for ordering so much. Smells pretty good. Clove is good for all kinds of stuff. It's good for, honestly, digestive stuff, all kinds of stuff. I think it's good for your teeth too, like if you have some problems with your teeth. But I'm going to use it with our Thieves line oil, and I'm going to order nutmeg and cinnamon and do like pumpkin spice smells. So that's why I was actually kind of excited. I think that's why they did it, because it's fall time, and you know, clove is sort of a pumpkin-y smell. Well, not pumpkin, but like it's a spice. I ordered cedarwood. I was completely out of this. This is a magic oil for me. It helps your body sort of produce, like, bring on the melatonin that your body naturally starts to do before bedtime. It's good for your skin. It is amazing. This oil is like only $10, I think, for a full bottle like this, and it lasts me a long time. And you could take it and put it in a roller bottle and put it in carrier oil and make it last even longer. I personally just put it right on top of my skin. I don't, yeah, you don't have to, you can, no, so you don't even have to dilute this one. That's why I don't dilute it, because I prefer to just have the full application of what the oil is going to do to me. So I absolutely love this oil, and I will never, ever go without it. It is fantastic. And then I ordered lavender oil. This is a magic oil, just like peppermint and cedarwood. Those like 3 are my favorite. Peppermint's good for your forehead, for your headaches and your muscles, and I mean, it just does incredible stuff. But lavender is great for like burns and of course nighttime. These two right here are my bedtime blends, cedarwood and lavender. I put that in my diffuser, which is right by my bed. I put it on my body. It just makes me like, and I've been out of cedarwood and I have just not been able to sleep. And I've been almost out of lavender. I think I literally have, yeah, not very much. I don't know if you can see that, but like very little. So I wasn't sleeping very good. I know that seems silly, but it just is magical and it works so good. I still take melatonin, but those two with melatonin, I'm just like out like a light. I think this oil is my friend's oil. I wish I could open it, but it's not mine. So I'm going to open it and make sure it is the oil that I think it is. Yes, it's black pepper. She wanted black pepper. I was like, okay, sure, I'll order it for you. She doesn't order oils each month, but she knows that they work really well, and so she was just like, I'll just go with order it through you. I'm like, whatever. gives me free points, and that's fine, I don't care. So that's her oil. I have to give that to her. Wish I could smell it. I actually do want to order that oil. Black pepper's not only good for our Vitality line, which is the one with the white label. This is fennel, another one that I really like. You can take these internally. They're approved by the FDA to consumption. Up to you if you want to take an oil. Do not, you know, I'm not saying you have to take an oil. I'm just saying that that's why they're white. But do your own research about that. But the reason that one is not one of our Vitality lines, but you can use it in diffusing, you can use it in like muscle rubs, because I have a muscle rub, and black pepper is one of the oils that is good for that. So anyways, this is my Young Living order. If you like that, let me know. If you don't like it, I don't know. Just thought it'd be something fun to do, and I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye!